There must be someone who doesn't like themselves, otherwise, people give themselves more importance. Loving yourself and giving importance to yourself is a good thing, but sometimes people consider it self love. So, what is self love? According to you, what is self love? What is the meaning of self love for you guys? So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sureka, and you are watching English in Little Room. Guys, before going to topic, I would like to tell you I'm not a motivational speaker. I have selected this topic just for practice English. As I said in my previous videos, I'm learning English, so for that, okay? So without wasting time, let's get started. As you know very well, this it's an era of social media. So everybody wants to present themselves well on social media. For that, people decorate themselves head to toe. But decorating yourself from head to toe is not a self-love. Applying expensive perfumes, applying expensive creams, wearing expensive dresses is not a self-love. Self-love is more than that, right? So guys, self-love is about two things. What are that two things? First one is knowing yourself, and the second is accepting yourself. So knowing yourself, what is knowing yourself? Knowing yourself means when you find out what you think, how you think, what is your true nature, what is your personality, right? It is very important to know all these things, right? So you should know about your personality, right? So guys, applying expensive cream, expensive perfumes, wearing expensive dresses, and you don't know about yourself, then it's not a self-love, right? Self-love is when you know about yourself, when you know what you are, right? When you know what you think, right? What your personality, what is your true nature. It's a self-love, okay? So second is accepting yourself. You know, guys, most of the people hide their ugly side so that you cannot know their dark side, right? But I think good people are always good to other people's all the time, right? So guys, accepting yourself means when you accept your flaws, your shortcomings, your dark side, your ugly side, and you don't need to pretend to be nice, right? Right? So it's a self-love when you accept yourself as you are, right? So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and